Hello, today let's talk about machine learning in a simple and intuitive way. Machine learning is about teaching computer to learn from data and experience instead of hard coding every rule. We give data to a computer and let it learn to discover pattern and relationship on its own. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. The first type is supervised learning is learned with answers using both data and correct labels. For example, we show an image and say this is a dog. The computer learns how to recognize dogs. Next, the second type is unsupervised learning. There are no answers, only data without labels. The computer finds similarities and groups the data by itself, such as clustering dog, cats, and rabbits. And the last type is reinforcement learning. It's learned through trial and error with no correct answer, only reward and penalty. Imagine a self-driving car. The car is the agent and the road is the environment. The car constantly decides whatever to accelerate, brake or turn, left or right. These are called action. For example, if the car makes a wrong decision and crashes, that's a penalty. And if the car drives safely without crashing, it receives a reward. And the car learns from this outcome, repeating action that give reward and avoiding penalties. Is improved over time without being told the correct answer. This is reinforcement learning, learning from experience, not from predefined answer. Thank you for watching.